In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Visual Studio Code. This is a very simple process, but it's important to do it correctly so you don't accidentally remove the wrong files from your project. First, go ahead and open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu, depending on how you usually open it. Once VS Code is open, make sure you're in the project where the folder you want to delete actually lives. If you don't see your project files, you may need to open the folder by going to the File menu and choosing the option to open a folder, then selecting your project directory. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Explorer panel. This is where all of your project files and folders are listed. Take a moment to expand any parent folders if needed, so you can clearly see the folder you intend to delete. It's a good habit to double check the folder name and its contents before deleting, just to avoid accidentally removing something important. Once you've located the correct folder in the Explorer, move your mouse over it and select it with a single left click. You should see it become highlighted, which indicates that this is the folder you're currently focused on. Now, with the folder selected, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. Look through the list and find the option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. At this point, Visual Studio Code may show a confirmation prompt, asking if you're sure you want to delete the folder. This is your last chance to verify that you've selected the correct folder. Take a quick moment to confirm the name, and if everything looks right, choose the option to proceed. Depending on your system settings, the folder might be moved to your recycle bin or trash, or it could be permanently deleted from your file system. If you're unsure, you can check your recycle bin or trash after deleting to confirm what happened. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a folder in Visual Studio Code by opening your project, selecting the folder, right-clicking on it, and choosing Delete.